Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show how we can use Views plugin to have recent blog posts. The latest two recent blog posts appear in this format with a title which is linking to the blog post, and below that we have a few lines of the post's content, and then the read more which is linking to the uh, post URL, and at the left side there's a date which shows the published date like in a calendar design. If we use the regular standard recent posts widget, we are just gonna get the titles, and probably there could be some plugins which will show the except below the titles, but we wouldn't exactly get the date appearing in this format floated to the left. So let's see how we can do this using views. So I have uploaded or copied the plugin views to my plugins folder, and I'm going to activate it. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a content template which will essentially output the content of each post. So think of it as the as if we are designing the loop. So I'm going to create a new content template. I'm going to give it recent blog post with date. Okay, so if I inspect the existing website HTML which is behind this, let's say I click here and I can go to the article. So we have the entire article block here, and there is one more here. So I'm just going to right click on this and say copy HTML, and I'm going to paste that in my editor. I'm just going to clean up the formatting a little bit. Okay, that should do. So I'm going to copy that and put it back here, and we got to just replace the text here with short quotes or placeholders. So if I click on this little icon here, the views icon, I can insert the title. So title is equal to that, and now I want the URL of the post. So I'm gonna select URL, and this would be the title. So that would be title. Okay, and em class equal to date time is equal to 2013 925 T08. Okay, so let's just replace this with the published date. So that would be that, and uh, we need to set a format so that it gets printed in this format. So if I do a Google search for that shortcode, I can see the parameter that I can use. I think it's called format. Let's see. So we're looking for WPV post date. So that's here. And yes, we can set a parameter format like that. So format is equal to, within double quotes, we can go here and check the format, and it's here. 2004 to 12T. This is the same format as what is there here. So, and that is small c. So we'll just put format equal to C like that. Okay, and for the month, again I would just put the date, and I want the month in the format of the 3 characters like SEP. So that would be month here, capital M. And for the date, we just put day of the month would be small j. Okay, and then we have got the excerpt with read more. So I'm just going to replace this entire paragraph with the shortcode which displays the excerpt, and we'll just click on update. Oh, one more thing is that if you notice here, there's an output mode which is set to auto insert paragraphs by default. I would like to set this to manual paragraphs so that there are no unneeded paragraph elements. So now that I have the content template ready, I'll just create a view, and I'm gonna say display all results and call this recent blog posts with dates. Okay, and what do I want to show? I want to show posts. So select posts and update, and I want to show the posts in the descending order, so that's fine. And I want to show only 2 posts, so select 2 and update. And over here I'm gonna select layout wizard and select the style of the layout to unformatted and click next, and select the fields to include in the layout. Over here I will select the content template that I have created earlier. So I would go to content template, and this is the one that I have created, and click next, and I'll select replace existing layout. And yeah, here we can see the view template or the content template that we have created earlier has come here. So I'm just gonna click on update. Okay, so we have created the content template, we have created the view, and all that's left is to go to appearance and widgets and go to the, let's first see here. I would like to put it here in this sidebar. So in the footer one, I will delete the existing widget, and I would put drag the WP views sidebar, and it automatically selects the only view that is present over there. So I'll just click on save, and when I come here and refresh, okay, so we have the latest post appearing, and we have the month and the date, and we have the latest post -1, and similarly this.